Well, what's up, ladies and gents? Boys and girls, this is Moto Noir. Today, we're playing Beat the Rain. See if we can beat the rain on our way to work. Can we do it? Nobody knows. Let's see if we can be successful. Come on, brother Scooter. There you go. There we go. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Look at these guys lane splitting, huh? This is worse than usual. Cut over here. Okay. Yep. Alright. I hate getting over to here because this is where all the screws. Yeah, good. Missed one very large screw. I hope so. Little droplets of rain. Oh boy. Ah, jeez. Alright, look at that banana cracker. He's going to, looks like use the side of the road all the way. I am not going to do that. Oh. What the hell's going on up here? Come on. Come on, peeps. Ain't nobody got time for that shit. Wow, people are losing their fucking mind today. They're losing it. Okie dokie. Get over to the left, because that's where it's safer to lane split. Because it looks like I will be doing a lot of that on my way to work this AM. What in the world is going on here? Kids. Kiddos. I can probably squeeze through here. Can you move over? Can you? Please? Yeah, dude, I want you to move over. Fucking rat bastard. That's why you stay to the left. Fucking idiots. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Words to live by. That's all I've been doing recently. Just continuing to swim. Just keep moving forward. Like a shark. A stop, a die. Just keep moving forward. Alright. That's getting tight right there. Oh yeah. Squeeze in the front of here. Opens up a little bit. Perfecto. Okay. Don't know what this delivery guy is doing. Come on, brother. You're ruining my flow. There he goes. He's got the right idea. Maybe he doesn't. Oh boy. Okay. Come on, baby. Come on, baby boy. You got it. You got it. I'm not trying to rush you, baby. I ain't trying to rush you. You got this. I just want to get to work before the rain comes. And I'm sure you want to make your delivery before the rain comes too. Because you don't have gloves on. And I do. Alright. Fun playing with you. potato heads, all of them. Jeez. More range droplets. Okay, alright, okay. I don't want to get wet here. Let's go. Come on. Funny thing is I have my rain suit in my backpack because I knew it was going to rain today, but it looked like I was going to be able to beat the rain to work. Come on, baby. Ay, chihuahua. Come on, people. I just need you to move a little quicker. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, there we go. So much traffic today. Traffic has been really bad in Brooklyn ever since the congestion pricing. So I think people park here in Brooklyn and then they take trains into Manhattan. And now it sucks in Brooklyn. Damned if you do and you're damned if you don't. And they're doing major construction on that highway that I was just on, the BQE. Major construction on this one section. And it gets backed up like cray-cray. Oh yeah, I like manage Triumph Brooklyn now. So there's something new. The previous GM quit. He up and left. So that was a huge change. And it was just me running sales for a while. That was stressful AF. What are you doing, dude? Don't you step out with the child. Jeez. The lack of self-preservation sometimes is astounding. I swear to God. Yeah, and so I kind of had to take over. I'm not really a GM because I don't know how to run a service department, which eventually one day hopefully I shall learn. And but I am running the sales department, and so I'm kind of like a quasi sales manager, or I am the sales manager. I'm also the finance manager. So this is fun. All right, kids, I'll see you on the next